In today's video we discuss how to type this cursive or small script B in your computer using keyboard shortcut. For doing this, you must first open Microsoft Word in your computer, and after that you must type like this: 1D4B7. So after typing that, you can press these two keys, this alt key and this is the S key. You must press this alt key and S key, these two keys at the same time. Then you can see that we have created this cursive B. I'll show you one more method. You must turn on this number lock. So suppose if your number lock is off, you must turn on the number lock. You must press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. And at the same time you must type here 11991. After typing that, release your finger from this alt key. Again same result. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.